Installing the quick fix joists is the first step in starting the installation of our CDECK. The quick fix joists, also known as battens or support rails, are the base of our deck. They support the boards, ensure proper ventilation, allow for water drainage, and prevent direct contact between the boards and the ground. Before fixing them in place, we must carefully plan their distribution, which varies depending on how the space will be used. If our deck is for residential use, such as for outdoor areas at home, the maximum spacing between joists is 400 millimeters, always measured from the center of one joist to the center of the next. If it is for a commercial space or public areas, this distance is reduced to 350 millimeters. These maximum distances must not be exceeded, although shorter distances are perfectly acceptable. We must ensure that the joists are not placed against walls or other fixed elements, leaving at least a 20 millimeter gap at the sides and ends. It is also important to keep them well aligned and to leave a gap of 3 to 5 millimeters between the ends of the joists to ensure proper water drainage. In addition to ensuring the correct spacing and required gaps, there are two other fundamental points to consider before fixing the joists. The first is that the boards must never, under any circumstances, be supported on fewer than 3 joists. The second is that when installing boards end to end, we always use 2 quick fix joists, one for each board. With the joists properly distributed, we mark the points where they will be screwed. At the ends of the joists, screws must be applied between 40 and 80 millimeters from the edge. For the rest, the maximum spacing between screws is 500 millimeters if using PVC joists, and if using aluminium joists, the maximum spacing between screws is 600 millimeters. We use an 8 millimeter drill bit to drill the base to a depth of at least 60 millimeters. Then, we insert the screw with the plug and fix it in place. For more information, recommendations or technical details, always consult the CDECK technical datasheet or contact IHT.